Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I get you the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350 in Goa, on Goan roads, and by a Goan in the most Goan way possible. No, not this Goa. This Goa.
शेणो चोलया की त्या धाडटा पोसऱ्यांनी पोसऱ्या भितर जाता तें पळोवं जायना दोळ्यांनी रामानी आनी कोमलान प्रेम केलो दोगांयनी जेवण पुसूं नाका पोट्याचे बोलच्या पेट्यांनी भायल्या येपार व्हरोन लोकांनी एकामेका मोगां पडोवन सांगताय काणी.
Aesthetically, it looks great in every color. But how is it to ride? Let's find out. Welcome in Goa on the Goan Classic 350 and by a Goan, aka me, Amog. So right off the back, when you sit on the motorcycle, you are greeted by this amazing and comfortable position offered by the Classic. So the Classic 350 is a very easy to ride motorcycle, as आपने मेरे previous video में भी देखा रहेगा, और this one is also no different. It is very easy as well. So coming to what is different, what is new on the Goan Classic 350. One, it's the beautiful colors that they are offering. Second is this handlebar, which is nice and upright. Third are the seats, both front and जो पीछे का सीट है पिलियन सीट, that is different as well, and the pillion seat is removable, which is मतलब pillion seat remove करके जो बाइक दिखती है, that is also a look to die for. The third thing that is different is it's offered with tubeless spoke rims. Yes, tubeless cross spoke rims, which is a great addition. Now I don't know if those spoke rims can be fitted on the ongoing Classics, but if they can be, then the ongoing Classic owners would be happy to have spoke wheels and tubeless at the same time. अभी तो बस tubeless मिलते हैं, but alloys मिलते हैं वो लोग को. And that's about it with changes to the motorcycle. Suspension wise I feel it is similar, because मैंने बहुत recently एक Classic चलाई थी and I found the suspension quite similar. तो suspension wise it is similar. Ride wise तो same J series engine है, that is also similar. अभी बाइक बहुत ही न्यू है, just 200 kilometers driven, so मैं ज़्यादा पुल नहीं कर रहा हूँ बाइक को, आराम से leisurely enjoy कर रहा हूँ. And at the same time the Classic is meant to be enjoyed. It is not meant to be pulled for top speed, curves, this and that. It is a bike to be enjoyed. The footrest position is also similar, आगे आराम से बैठने का. The seat, I think they have improved the quality of the seat, which is nice, and the foam also जो padding डालते हैं वो भी improved है. The only downside is if you are looking at this bike as a family bike, या फिर अपने गर्लफ्रेंड या बेटर हाफ को लेके जाने के लिए, उसका पीछे का सीट थोड़ा अच्छा है साइज़ में. इट इज़ नॉट छोटा, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट इज़ अ बिट रिस्की, क्योंकि पीछे यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है सीट का. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग विच यू हैव टू कंसिडर. बट अदर देन दैट, आई मीन दिस बाइक डजंट हैव लाइक क्रेजी हॉर्स पावर जो पीछे आपको सीट से उठाएगा. और द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ इट्स टर्निंग रेडियस. जब आप यू टर्न लेते हैं, द टर्निंग रेडियस इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग, मतलब it's not long, it's very big, because the bike is a bit long. Another thing about this bike is you will attract a lot of eyes. No matter which color you're buying, you will attract eyes to it from every side. I mean, it looks beautifully amazing. so it is very common to attract eyes, and at the same time the only noticeable concern I have with this motorcycle is वो जो white wall दिया है टायर को, that's gonna get dirty pretty quickly. So that is the Goan classic for you in Goa by a Goan. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर देना. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर एंड पीस आउट.